Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and I just want to share with you kind of the update. So earlier this week or last, depending on when this goes up, I shared with you our new farmstead. An hour or two later that night, after I shared that with you, we got covered with a foot of snow. So that delayed the floor guys by 2 days, and also the installation of our internet, because we actually found a small company that is going to ping our internet, whatever the word is for that, it's probably not that, off of a nearby water tower, and they can't currently access it because of all the snow. So we right away found out what it was like to get a foot of snow at our new homestead. We had hoped to clean out the cabin and move in it, but like I said, we couldn't even get in for days. But some anonymous neighbor or someone nearby actually appears to have plowed our driveway. And so I don't know who did it, but we're very thankful. Whenever I showed you the tour, I showed you that the upstairs floors in our farmhouse were painted a very chocolatey brown color. I did a little research, and it turns out that people did that back in the day to preserve floors. And a lot of times people put the nicer floors in the downstairs or the main level of their homes, and then they put the cheaper floors in the upstairs. And so that usually were a softer wood. So that's what we're thinking happened in our home. And the floor guy basically told us that whenever he would go to sand off the paint upstairs, it would either be because it was so damaged that they had to cover it up, or perfect underneath. He's seen both extremes. Okay, and here is what was underneath the kitchen area. Not bad at all, considering it all looked about like this before. So somebody who lives in the area actually recognized this house and said that she'd been reading my blog for a while. She sent me an email, welcome to the neighborhood, all that kind of stuff. And she also recommended a painter. So I'm having her come out and look at this place and tell me how much it'd be to paint all of the interior. And we decided to go with paint in the little office room or nursery, whatever, master bedroom and bathroom. more to come later on that and that decision. Hey, you don't think much of the new place? We want to go in. We all want to go in.
He's just a bit crazy.
So all of our stuff is still in the garage and in the horse trailer. We are so ready to get it out, and it's going to be at least another week, the flooring guys told us, and that's if the next snow doesn't totally derail that plan.